Alright, welcome back to the QuaranTEENs Technology Tuesday. Today we're going to be taking a look at if-else statements. So something that's really common in most programming languages, in fact it's probably the most basic and most useful part of programming in general, is an if-else statement. So for block coding, they're something like this. So this is an if statement, and then this is an if-else statement. So what it is we have if, and then we have something called an argument, and then we have a then, and then whatever's in here happens. So if we have this block here, and we drag it in there, then the argument here is if the key space is pressed. So if the key space is pressed, then it is true, and so anything that's in here will happen. So if we move our block in here, that makes it move 10 steps, and we have that. We start, and as you notice, it's not doing anything because what happens is it goes through so quickly that I don't have time to be able to press the space bar and start the program. So we're going to drag in a forever loop and put that there. So now when we press the green button, every time I press the the space bar, the cat will move forward. You drag the cat back, and we put this into our if-else statement. So it's the same thing. If the space key is pressed, then it will move 10 steps. But we have this addition of the else statement. So the else statement is if this isn't true, then it will do this. So if we go back and we do motion again, and we drag out a move 10 steps, but this time we're going to put negative 10. So we're going to move it over here, and now it's active, it's moving backwards. But if we hold the space bar, it will move forward because I press the space bar, and now it's going through, and it's going through really, really fast. And so now, because the space bar is pressed, it'll move forward, but when it's not pressed, it goes to the else statement and starts moving backwards. So that's a really simple explanation about how to do if-else statements in Scratch. Linked to this post on Instagram and Facebook is also going to be an example of how to do these statements in other programming languages. So I really hope you've learned something, and I encourage you to explore these. If you want to learn different programming language, there's tons of tutorials online, and feel free to reach out. We have lots of members in our STEM department that would be more than happy to help introduce you to the world of computer programming.